I'm bothered. It's warm. It's very warm. This must be that Italian heat wave. Oh mate, it's shady over here. Got a few more turnages. Bit of a shite road surface for turnages. Oh, that's a view. Oh, it's a big sweepy one. Oh, that's nice. Oh, T-Max is everywhere. Oh, cool me down. Thruxton, nice. Someone's got taste. This looks very Italian. I don't know if we're in Italy. I don't know what's going on. I don't know where I am. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what temperature it is. I just know it's hot. My bum hurts. I need a piss. I need to do a poo, I think. There's a Ducati Scrambler there. Quite similar to yours. Oh, it's pretty good. Hang about. Oh, that's just that lay-by. It's warm. Are we going to get to the border? I don't even know if we've gone past it. Are we in Italy? Are we still in Switzerland? I don't know. Oh my god, I want to get in that water. Alright. Dentista, apparently. AXA Life Insurance. Sign up, you get a free Parker pen just for inquiring. Oh, well, I'm fucking sold, mate. Not any pen, a Parker pen. What? Oh, let's pull over then. Hang about. Something's still going on up here. I think there might be policemen. Could be. There's a geezer stood in the middle of the road. Looks like police. Speed trap bar, I think. Oh, another one. Love his white glove, mate. I love his... Oh, he did some Michael Jackson movement there. Yeah. Do you think he'll high-five me if I ask? No, he looked a bit serious, didn't he? Down low. Oh, the only thing from that sting, yeah, is a tiny little red mark. Tell you, I don't react badly to wasp stings at all. It hurt immediately and then it went away after like 5-10 minutes.
20 minutes later.
We just went through, that was the border. Yeah, come on in, we don't give a shit. Everyone's corrupt here, we don't care. Come on in. Your gloves? You got them tucked in. Tell you now, ladies and gents, it's pretty damn hot. In 1K, for which the one to the right, Mandela. Is it where it says Camp in Spiaggia? This is good. Getting out of here will be fun. This is going to be difficult to get out of. You want to go down here? We're trying to get out, pal. The right is clear-ish. There's a Fiat coming now though. Settle. Well, we're leaving Italy because it's fucking hot. Oh, we're going back into Switzerland. I like this one. This one's very good. It's like in the woods. Rocks all over the place. It's quite Lord of the Rings. Ooh, wind! That's the Liechtenstein Land is back for all your Liechtenstein needs.